everyone, I'm Chelsea and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this southern pecan pie, and it is absolutely so easy to make. It's going to amaze you, and your guests are going to love it over the holiday season. So let's cook together. All right, start with 1 cup of firmly packed brown sugar. Then add in 3 large eggs that you've already mixed. Next, you're going to add 2 generous tablespoons of melted butter. Just make sure that they are that it's cooled off before you add it to your batter. Now you need a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I love vanilla, so I added a little bit more. I'm adding an 1/8 a teaspoon of cinnamon. That's a new ingredient that I'm trying out. And then a cup of dark Caro syrup. And I'll have to tell you, when I was a little girl, the only syrup I would eat was the light white Caro syrup on my pancakes. I didn't want anything else. So we're going to blend this together. You're almost done. We're going to add this mixture to the pie shell and 2 cups of toasted pecans. Remember to toast pecans. All you have to do is put them on a baking sheet in your oven at 350 for 6 to 8 minutes. We'll spread those around in the pie shell, and I'm going to pour the batter over the toasted pecans, and then we'll put this in the oven for at least an hour. You can check the middle with a toothpick, and it should be bouncy. That's how you want it to look. Cool it off and then refrigerate for 2 hours before serving, and add a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy!